Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a factory reset or a hard reset on a Skullcandy Stomp Bluetooth speaker. Maybe it's not working right, or maybe you're having some connection issues. Sometimes just doing a reset will fix everything. Just keep in mind any paired devices on it will be deleted and everything will be reset to its original factory settings. But if that's okay with you and you want to do the reset, let's go ahead and do it. It's very easy to do. All we need to do is come into the, and we're going to find the volume down button and the volume up button, and we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, that will initiate the factory reset. So what will happen is you hold it for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, the LED will blink between blue and red for while it's resetting. It will go into it and it will start to blink, and then it will do that until it's done. And once it's done blinking, that means it has finished its factory reset, and you can repair it with whatever devices you want to. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.